down by the fire's light, trying to figure out what's wrong and what's right. Sitting down by the fire, no pardon your deepest desire. You had to go out into this world to travel all around with that bluesy ragtime girl, watching the silver lining fade. You one step closer every day to your grave.
There's a devil and an angel on your shoulder, it's true. They're always fighting, making a fool out of you. There's a drama queen, a king, and they're acting it out. They always try to tell you what it's all about.
A happy death is what you crave. A scrapbook of the memories is what you say. Is this life worth living? Lord, you ask yourself again. One more time in your dream. A sweet lullaby is always more than it seems. What motivates you is the reason you cry. You're addicted to your life. A shadow of the goat follows you around, migrating, listening to the sound. Straight in longing for a slice of the pie, 'cause it gets you so high.
You'll pay ever so dearly with your soul, for the piper's call to collect his toll. You see the flame reflected in his eyes, 'cause that preacher man wasn't dead alive.
Oh, this is it for this incarnation, but you'll be resurrected in this comic insurrection. Not the end of your road, for your paths they will cross again.